In this video, we are going to install Carabc H5 AI box wireless CarPlay adapter. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Enjoy wireless CarPlay for your iPhone and wireless Android Auto for Android phones. Powerful CarPlay adapter with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM and a Qualcomm 8-core chip. You have a disc shape made of nice plastic. Here we have your Type-C USB input. On the middle top, you have your TF card slot. On the middle bottom is where you insert your SIM card using the included pin. And here we have your HDMI port. Included cables are USB-A to USB-C, USB-C, USB-C cable, and a USB-A T cable. Some car models may not provide sufficient voltage to support the AI box. In such cases, they provide a combination T cable to support it. And your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So for a smooth install, first you want to clear out any other devices that your car is connected to. We're going to go ahead to connections, all the CarPlay devices, and I'm going to go ahead and delete these. Now to install, you take your cable. We're going to go ahead and plug it into the input. And then plug the other end to your vehicle. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and enable the device. Now once that's set, we're going to go hit CarPlay. Now I'm going to go ahead and restart the device. Let that run, take its course, let it restart. Now we're going to want to try and set up Bluetooth. On your phone, you want to go to Bluetooth. Go ahead and find the device. It should be called AI box. Searching, there it is. We're going to go ahead and connect to that and pair. We're going to we're going to hit allow. Now we are all connected and the Bluetooth light had turned on. Now let's go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi, our mobile hotspot. On your phone, we're going to turn on hotspot. Go to settings, we're going to go to Wi-Fi. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and connect. Now that we have those two connected, let's try and connect to Android Auto. We're going to go to speed play. Hit continue. And now you're connected. Now let's check the streaming devices. We're going to get out of Android Auto, go home. Here is YouTube. Now let's check YouTube. And we're set. change the quality. Let's go to 1080. And you can see the clarity. Now let's try Netflix. The first time you log on to Netflix, it's asking you to update a new version. You do not want to do that. You're going to hit cancel. And now you're in. Let's go ahead and sign in. You also can use Disney Plus. I do not have Disney Plus or Hulu. You can change the color of your AI box. You want to go to settings. We're going to go to display settings. And you have LED color setting. So here you have your color wheel. You can go ahead and change the color. To connect your iPhone, we're going to go to the settings menu. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Look for AI box. We're going to go ahead and pair that together. And hit pair. I'm going to allow the contacts. Now we're connected. Now you're set. So I went ahead and plugged in my mini HDMI, hid it behind this console, and plugged it into my rear HDMI port so you can view the same thing on the rear entertainment system. As you can see, there's no delay. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.